Hey everyone, welcome back to the shop. I'm James from Crowhaven Woodworks. Today we're going to take a look at the Taylor Toolworks drill press sharpening system, and we're going to find out if this is scary sharp or not. Stick around, we'll be right back. So welcome back. So Mike over at Taylor Toolworks is always innovating, always trying to find ways to help us woodworkers find better ways to do things, streamline things, and just help us get through our days a little bit better. So we're going to take a good look at this system, and we're going to build this jig that goes along with it. This one is set up to do chisels, and so let's take a look in the package and see what comes with this. So now we're going to start off with a piece of fast cap speed tape adhesive paper, and that's going to be for your strop. And we got a multi-pack of Cubitron 2 sandpaper. We got several grits going from 80 all the way up to 400. And your leather strop. And this is your cutting compound for stropping. You got 2 acrylic discs. And your 2 arbors. So now that we see what comes in the package, let's talk about the jigs. There's 2 that you can build. One's going to have a 30-degree slope, and that's going to be for your chisels. The other one's going to be set at 25 degrees, and that's for your plane irons. When you buy this package, you're going to get a link to download the instructions to build this jig. It's going to be step by step, pretty simple, easy to read, and that's going to help you along with that. Also, you're going to get a set of instructions on how to use this system and all the different tools that you can use to sharpen with it. So let's get building. You could cut 2 pieces of 3/4 inch hardwood and glue them together. I use 1 single piece of 1.5 inch white oak. Now we can mark and cut the angle. Now to chamfer or round over all the edges, but don't do the ramp. Here we'll cut and attach the fence. Now with a 6" by 7.5" 3/4 piece of hardwood, we can make the base. Now we can screw the body to the base. Now your jig is finished. Now we're going to change the speed on the drill press. It's recommended between 400 and 500 RPMs. I'm going to set this for 500. You definitely don't want to go past 600 on this. Okay, I'm going to dull this chisel up. Now you want to slow, even pressure, staying tight to the fence. Check your progress. Ease it in and don't push in too hard. Now we're going to strap the rear, and then we're going to do the bevel. Looks like a nice edge to me. So in conclusion, I think they got a winner here. This can take the most banged up, janky old chisel and put a razor sharp, mirror polished edge on it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description so how you can get this. And again, I want to thank Taylor Toolworks for this, and we'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe and link and share and help out this woodworking channel. Thank you so much. So now that we see what comes in the package, let's get together. So now that we see plain irons. When you buy this package, you're going to get a set of